You can have all the best digital privacy and security practices in the world, but none of that matters if anyone on the internet can find out where you physically live. Your password manager, your credit freeze, and your encrypted messaging app do you no good if a bad guy can Google your name and find where you and your family sleep at night. And unfortunately, there are services out there called data brokers who are getting your address from free and publicly available information and posting it on the internet for the entire world to access. These services are completely legal in most countries, certainly here in the United States. And if you haven't been aware of them before, I challenge you to pause this video right now and Google your own name. Chances are your current home address and even some of your past addresses popped up right away. Most data brokers even show who your parents are and who your siblings are, along with their addresses. So what can you do about that? In the US, you can go to these data brokers' websites, fill out a form, and request that your data be removed from their site. Great, problem solved, right? Unfortunately, no. First, there are hundreds of these sites out there. To remove yourself from every single one would be a huge time sink, if not impossible. Second, it's a game of whack-a-mole. You get off of a list, but a few months or years later, you pop back onto it. There must be a better way. Enter Incogni. But about 3 years ago, even before Incogni reached out to me to sponsor this video, I was a paying member of their service. What Incogni does is it reaches out to over 420 data brokers and people search sites on your behalf using their removal engine. That's the system running in the background that automates these requests and keeps resubmitting them over time as your data reappears. When I set mine up a few days ago, there were 402 removal requests sent within 15 minutes of me reopening my account. Within 24 hours, 331 of those requests had been completed. And what I love about their dashboard is you can see the progress as it works on your behalf with this graph. But does Incogni actually work, or is this just another fake graph and a fake privacy product cashing in on fear? That's exactly what I wanted to find out before I ever even considered doing this video. So here's how it actually works. Depending on where you live, privacy laws like GDPR, CCPA, or PIPEDA give you the right to request that companies delete your personal data. Incogni uses that legal basis to act on your behalf. It handles the removal request process for you, citing the specific law that applies to you and where you live. And this isn't just Incogni's word for it. They're the first and currently only personal data removal service that's had this process independently verified by Deloitte. And on top of that, they're SOC 2 Type 2 certified, which is a separate, pretty rigorous standard for how they handle your data securely on the back end. PCMag, PCWorld, and ZDNET have all previously recognized them as an editor's choice pick. So when I say this actually works, that's not just my opinion. There's real third-party verification behind it. And perhaps the best part is that even after the initial takedown requests are completed, it continues to monitor the data broker sites to see if your data reemerges. If it does, it submits a removal request for you again. And they even show you an estimate of how much time it saved you compared to doing the takedown requests yourself. They have a tab where you can see all of the brokers they're tracking and sort by different metrics such as severity and current status. On the unlimited plan, there's a feature called the Personal Risk Assessment, which is a monthly report generated from your real data that shows your risk level based on things like how easy it is to find your address, social security number, date of birth, and even driver's license. I was surprised by how exposed I am. I'm someone who uses unique relay email addresses on every site. I have a phone number just for signing up for things. And my only address I ever give out is a virtual mailbox in a city and state I don't live in. But my report still showed a high risk level due to my info being publicly accessible on over 113 data broker and 192 websites. It was eye-opening. Beyond that, Incogni also offers a free data exposure scan on their website, a separate tool from the unlimited plan's exposure scanner that shows you where your data turns up and points you towards getting it removed. Now, is Incogni good for the price? Here's what it actually costs. The standard plan runs $7.99 a month billed annually, and that covers automated removal requests across all 420 plus brokers with resubmission if your data pops back up. If you want the deeper stuff, the custom removals beyond that standard list and the personal risk assessment I just showed you, that's the unlimited plan at $14.99 a month. And if you got family members you want covered too, there's a family plan for up to 5 people. Every plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's basically no risk in just trying it. Oh, and if you're someone who wants to check your exposure on the go, they've also got a mobile app for iOS and Android, so you're not tied to checking this from a desktop. So is Incogni a scam or is it legit? Based on my own numbers, 331 requests completed within 24 hours and real time saved that I didn't have to spend filling out forms myself, I'd say it's doing exactly what it claims to. When a sponsor reaches out, I'm always skeptical going in. But like I mentioned earlier, I was already a paying member of Incogni for about 3 years before they ever contacted me about doing this video. That's the only reason I agreed to do this, because I was already recommending it to people before it was in my financial interest to do so. If you want to see your own exposure, the link is down in the description, and it'll also get you a discount on whichever plan makes sense for you. So go run your free scan today, see your own numbers, and decide for yourself. It really is a Google your own name moment, and I think once you see what's out there, you'll understand why this should be high on your list of privacy tools. Use code ROSS60 for 60% off an annual Incogni plan. Again, links below.